Elisa, in all her wisdom, bless her beautiful heart, ate a mouthful of chili peppers.
Can I have more milk?
Yeah, no. And now she needs to put the fire out in her mouth.
I haven't eaten anything that was hot my entire life. My nose. I'm crying. It's too spicy.
How you feeling?
There's fire in my mouth. I can't even talk now.
Sing a song.
What?
It's a small world after all.
I like hot. I like spice. Never had anything hot in my life. They're trying to kill me. I honestly think that they're sitting on the end of the phone. Like, oh yeah, it's 10 o'clock. They've already ordered lunch tonight. Let's burn their face off. Nose is bleeding.